Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Wi-Fi is on and you have the QR code visible. This saves time. Open the camera app. On Galaxy J7, the camera can scan QR codes if the setting is enabled. If not, open Samsung's SmartThings or a QR scanner app. These read Wi-Fi QR payloads directly. Once done, position the code inside the frame and hold steady for 1 to 3 seconds, so the phone can detect the network SSID and encryption type automatically. When the camera or QR app recognizes the code, you'll see a network prompt. Tap it to proceed. The device reads SSID and security settings from the QR payload. This is why scanning is faster than typing. Make sure the SSID displayed matches your router's name because a wrong network could be nearby. If a password field appears, it's filled automatically. If not, the QR encoded an open network. Once you confirm, the phone sends credentials to the Wi-Fi manager to attempt association. Tap Connect and wait. Your J7 will request an IP via DHCP and show connected when it succeeds. If it doesn't connect, make sure the QR code actually encodes the correct password and SSID. Scanning a similar label can mislead the phone. Also confirm you're in router range and the router accepts new devices. If DHCP times out, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or reboot the phone. This clears temporary network cache and often resolves authentication or assignment glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.